Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the iuoni 11.5-foot upgraded inflatable projector screen. A product designed to bring the ultimate outdoor movie experience to your backyard, garden, or even by the pool. This isn't just any projector screen, it combines convenience, durability, and versatility into a single package. And we're going to break down everything you need to know before making a purchase. First off, let's talk about the build quality. The frame of this screen is constructed from TPU tarpaulin with sealed air technology. That means once it's inflated, there's no need to keep a blower running continuously. It's airtight, flame retardant, waterproof, and highly wear resistant. The screen itself is made from premium milk silk material that's washable and designed to provide a wrinkle-free viewing surface. Whether you're watching movies, giving presentations, or hosting a party, the material ensures a crisp and clear picture. One of the standout features of this iuoni screen is its support for both front and rear projection. Many inflatable screens are limited to one type of projection, but this screen gives you the flexibility to project from either side. The 16:9 aspect ratio and wide 160-degree viewing angle mean that everyone in your audience gets a great view. While the screen's natural color reproduction helps reduce eye strain and keeps images looking vibrant even in outdoor lighting. Setting up this screen is surprisingly easy. You don't need any extra tools, and one person can have it ready in under 5 minutes. The package comes complete with the screen, a support frame, an 800-watt air pump, repair cloth, a carry bag, tethers, and stakes. These accessories make it simple to stabilize the screen even in windy conditions. Ground pegs have reflective night apertures, ropes can be secured quickly, and sandbags provide extra weight to keep everything in place. The dimensions are generous at 105 inches wide and 61.2 inches high for the display area, with the overall frame measuring 105.6 by 90 inches. Despite its size, the screen weighs only 17.6 pounds, making it portable enough for camping trips or beach parties. It's also built to handle different environments. So whether you're entertaining friends in the backyard or taking it to a special outdoor event, this screen can adapt. In addition to home movie nights, this screen is suitable for business presentations, birthday parties, weddings, or any outdoor gathering that requires a large projection surface. Its combination of waterproofing, durable materials, and easy setup makes it a versatile choice for both casual and professional use. To wrap up, the iuoni 11.5-foot inflatable projector screen offers a strong balance between portability, durability, and viewing quality. If you're looking for a screen that's easy to set up, flexible in projection options, and reliable in different weather conditions, this product is worth considering. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest tech and gadgets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.